Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. In this installment, we have this little sump plug remover. Pretty handy little thing. There'll be some footage in a few moments of it in action on a sump plug. Let's talk about it. I picked this up from Temu. It's pretty good. It's got this braided cable, it's magnetic end that you can put a bolt or a socket on, or a socket, let's say a bolt on. So basically the way it works is you line up this flat with a flat on whatever fastening you're trying to undo. It just holds it, and the magnet is fairly powerful, and then you can wind it in and out. There's a few different size bolts. So you can use a fairly big one, and then you can also use a fairly small one, as long as you've got a head on the end. This works well on it. Yeah, and you just spin this round, and it comes undone. It does take a bit of torque sometimes the cable needs to tighten up a bit. It's got a fairly long cable on it as well. Gives you about 25 centimetres of length. Sorry, I realised that wasn't in camera when I was measuring that, but yeah, about 25 centimetres. It's pretty good. Got a nice comfort grip handle. It is a tad small, but it is okay. And yeah, it's really quite a multi-purpose tool. You can also use this for starting fasteners. So say for instance you've broken one off a long one and you want to start it by hand, but it's quite far away, you have to use extensions to reach it. Pop it on the end of your magnet, you can lead it down there. It's a bit tough because it's a bit flexible, but you can start it, and once it's started you'll be able to pull it off and then get your socket down there with your extension. Useful for certain things, not for everything, but it's another little useful use for it. So here's just a quick bit of footage of the tool in action. As you can see, once you've broken the sump plug loose, you can remove it easily with this tool. It does a pretty good job, keeps your hands well away from the hot oil. So moving on to my final thoughts on this lovely little tool. It's pretty good. It does have its limitations. It's been helpful if these had been two-sided rather than just the one. The magnet is extremely strong though, I'll give it that. Also I didn't mention this in the last bit, but if you drop something and you need to reach it with metal, you can pop this down there and grab it. It holds quite a fair amount of weight as well, so let me find something relatively heavy. So we have this small finger ratchet. It weighs quite a bit. You can see this does it quite well. But as far as ratings go, it's going to be a 3-spanner rating. I'll pop up here as always. And yeah, so 3-spanner rating for this. Pretty good tool. Not something you use all the time, but when you need to use it, it's very helpful for oils. Keeps your fingers away from the hot oil. Most of the time anyway. Yeah, definitely worth picking up. Cheap enough. And before we finish this video, I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers. The channel's growing really nicely. We're on the road to 500 subs now. We're only 55 away from 500, which is an amazing achievement. Thank you all for the support. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.